Welcome to Auto Motorhome, your ultimate destination for all things motorhomes. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of the 2025 Entegra Coach Cornerstone, a motorhome that redefines luxury and performance. Cut to the exterior of the Cornerstone parked at a picturesque campsite, showcasing its elegant design. Narrator, VO. The 2025 Cornerstone stands as Entegra's flagship model, blending power with opulence. Riding on the Spartan K3 raised rail chassis, it's powered by a formidable Cummins 15-liter X15 turbocharged 605 HP engine, delivering an impressive 1,950 pounds-foot of torque at 1,150 RPM. Close-up shots of the engine and chassis components. Narrator, VO. This powerhouse is paired with an Allison 4000 mH 6-speed transmission, ensuring smooth transitions on any journey. The side-mounted, parallel airflow radiator and 210-amp alternator further enhance its robust performance. Transition to the cockpit, highlighting the driver's seat, steering wheel, and dashboard. Narrator, VO. Stepping into the cockpit, drivers are greeted with a luxurious environment designed for comfort and control. The leather seats offer 6-way power adjustments with power recline, complemented by a manual tilt and telescoping steering column. The valid 15-inch digital dash provides real-time diagnostics and customizable displays. Features a 9-inch touchscreen for